Hello, welcome to Plus Equal. In this tutorial we will talk about the Unity editor, about its UI. So let's begin. The toolbar is this little horizontal line that you see here, and there's a lot of stuff going on. So if we are beginning on the left, we have some tools here that are very important, and you can access them like a shortcut with your keys in the that are associated with the QWERTY. So the first letter is Q and is the end tool. If you click on W, you'll get to the move tool. I to get the rotate tool. R for the scale tool. T and E. Okay. And we also have another tool here, but pay no attention to it right now. Here we have something about the position, but we will not talk about this right now. Then we have our play button that let us run the game and pause it and skip it to the next frame. Here we have some stuff that we are not talking much into detail right now as well. Here you can change your layout for Unity. I will let mine in default so we can stay on the same page. Then we have the hierarchy. The hierarchy is the list of game objects that you have. For example, I have at this moment the camera, a light, and a cube, a little cube right there, and that's the hierarchy, which is really that simple. Then we have the scene view. The scene view is where you can edit things and move your game objects around. Is where you build our game. Okay, is the scene view. Then we have the game view, that is our game running. I will put it to the normal aspect ratio, that is 16:9. And I usually like to put the game view side by side with the scene view so I can see it in real time. I also have the asset store here, but ignore it for now. And we have the inspector. Okay, the inspector is really important. Let's talk about it. Every game object you have a transform. That's the basic rule of Unity. Any game object will have a transform. That means that the game object will have a location in world space. But they also have other properties. Some of them are related to the object that you create. For example, the cube have a mesh renderer and a box collider that's very useful for collisions. But if I go to the camera, I have a camera component here, and the audio listener and the script. So this is where you'll see every property of the game object, and you can add more components down here. Okay, you have lots of components here. Now we can talk about the project. The project window is like where you will keep all your files and folders. So I have the scenes and scripts, and inside they have their own stuff. But I could have 3D models and images and audio and so on. That will be kept here. Okay, and we have the console here. And the console, actually, I like to put it more or less here at the same page that the game view. But you can reactivate things if they disappear or something. You can go to Window, General, and we have the most important sections here as well: Scene, Game, Inspector, Hierarchy, Project, and Console. They are here. They are the most important sections of the Unity Editor UI, and that's it. So guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for all your support so far. Remember that if you have any doubt, just drop your comment, and I will try to answer as fast as possible. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.